Good day, everyone. Today, I will discuss a profession that plays a vital role in our society. My presentation is all about social workers, who they are, and what they do. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, let's define what is social workers and who they are and what they do. According to the University of Bhopal School of social work is a profession dedicated to enhancing the well-being of individuals, families, and communities by addressing their needs, advocating for social justice, and providing essential support services. Social workers also help people navigate challenges such as poverty, mental health issues, and access to resources while working in various settings like schools, hospitals, and community organizations, and etc. Um, Next slide is here are the five key factors that the roles of a social worker. First one is the case manager or the coordinator. This kind of social workers, they do assess the needs of their clients and connect them to essential services such as financial aid, healthcare, housing, and etc. They ensure that resources are accessible and delivered properly. Next one is counselor. They provide emotional and psychological support to individuals struggling with personal issues such as depression, trauma, or family problem. By offering professional guidance and they help people cope with challenges and inform decisions. And next is advocate. Social worker fight for the rights of marginalized people or individuals in their communities. They work to ensure that people receive fair treatment, proper support, and equal opportunities whether in legal matters, education, or healthcare. And next, we have educator. They are the one that provides knowledge, skills to clients and communities, helping better understand their situations and resources available to them. For example, a social worker may teach families about financial literacy or mental health awareness. And last but not the least, we have mediator. They are the ones that handle conflicts arise in various social settings, and so there are kind of the social workers that step in to resolve disputes, whether in between family members, community groups, or institution. They are the one that facilitates communication and find solution that benefit all involved parties. So, through these roles, and social workers help individuals and communities build resilience, stability, and a better quality of life. Um, Next, we have the five career opportunities for social workers. So, ano nga ba yung maaari mo maging trabaho pag isa kang social worker? So, social work is a diverse field with many career paths. So, here are the five career opportunities available for social worker. First one, we have here the clinical social worker. These professionals work in healthcare or practices, providing therapy and counseling to individuals dealing with mental health issues, substance abuse, or trauma. They help clients develop coping strategies and lead healthier lives. Next, we have here the school social worker. In schools, social workers support students facing emotional, social, or academic difficulties. They work closely with teachers and parents to ensure that students receive the guidance they need to succeed in their education. Next, we have here the medical social worker. So they are the ones that in the hospitals and provide healthcare in the institution, employ social workers to assist patients and families in navigating medical systems. And also, they are They are the ones that provide emotional support, explain explain treatment options, and also they are the ones that connect patients with financial or home care assistance. For the fourth one, we have here the community social work. Of the root word itself, community. Sila yung mga nagtatrabaho sa community natin. Sila yung mga professional na tumutulong para mag-develop ng mga program para ma-address yung mga social issues. For example, mga poverty, ganyan, yung mga kawalan ng tirahan dahil sa mga kawalan ng tirahan, mga informal settlers, ganon. Sila yung mga tumutulong dyan para maka-access ng tamang education, tapos mabigyan sila ng needs, and sila yung mga kind ng social worker na nagte-take ng initiative para i-improve yung quality ng buhay dun sa mga vulnerable group na yon. Then, not last but not the least, we have here the child welfare social worker. So, children facing neglect, abuse, or unsafe living conditions rely on social workers to protect and advocate for their rights. This professional These professionals work to ensure that children are placed or safe, nurturing environment where they can thrive. So, as we can see, social work offers many careers, and each allowing professionals to make a difference in people's lives, whether they work in mental health, education, healthcare, or community. Developed social workers play a crucial role in creating a more just and compassionate society. So, yun guys, dun nagtatapos yung presentation ko, and I hope that concludes my presentation, and I hope discussion has provided you with a deeper understanding of social work and its significance in society. Thank you for your time and attention. That's all. Thank you.